I'm delighted to share that Fiji Airways has achieved another remarkable landmark deal for the company and for the country.
So ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft selected to continue the journey of Fiji Airways into the future is the Airbus A350-900 XWB wide-body aircraft. The A350 uses 25% less fuel compared to a similar sized aircraft. What this means is a significant reduction in our carbon footprint, not just for Fiji Airways, but of course for us as a country. It offers passengers and crew the most modern in-flight products with the most comfortable flying experience. The first A350, and this is the wonderful thing about this, will arrive in Fiji in November of 2019.
This aircraft is the most advanced airplane in operation today and the most environmentally friendly. Indeed, the A350 is the quietest aircraft in the sky, bar none, both inside the cabin and externally.
The Trent XWB is the world's most efficient large aero engine. It has accumulated over 3 million hours of flying. The engine has already demonstrated its great reliability and versatility.